Can you think a king and he gave orders for the carpenter at night. The carpenter was summoned, and king's order nobody can deny. The sleepy carpenter rubbed his eyes and answered, because why sleepy carpenter? Because he was sleeping, no? And he was called at the middle of the night. If we stock up every wooden box we have, we will be able to build a tall and sturdy tower. What he said? Now he was rubbing his eyes and he said, if you stock up like this, one upon another, wooden boxes, we will be able to build a tall and sturdy. Sturdy means strong tower. Hearing this, the king ordered the soldiers to bring every wooden box they could find. And from his kingdom, he asked from every house, every wooden box. People emptied their boxes on the floor. People, whatever they were storing in the boxes, they emptied it because it was king's order, and handed them over to the soldiers. When the soldiers arrived with the boxes, the royal carpenter ordered, pile the boxes up, one on the top of another, then I will nail them in place. Now the carpenter ordered the soldier, pile the boxes on one another, and then I will nail it with a hammer. Yes, that's not high enough, the king complained as he saw the growing pile. And the pile of the boxes started growing. But the king said, this is not enough because I can't touch the moon. Pile the boxes up one. And he said, that's not high enough. The king complained as he saw the growing pile. You need more boxes. Chop down every tree in the kingdom. Now what the foolish king ordered? Chop down every tree in the kingdom and make as many as boxes as you can. The workmen bagged and hammered and did not stop until every tree in the kingdom had been turned into boxes. So every tree in the kingdom was chopped down for the sake of foolish king who wanted to touch the moon. And the trees were chopped and boxes were made. See, children, we have to chop the trees or we have to plant more trees. Imagine a world without trees. Is life possible? No. The workmen banged and hammered and they chopped the tower grew so high that people on the ground could not see the top. And now the tower grew high of the boxes. The king declared, I will climb the tower tonight and touch the moon. And what he said, I will climb tonight and touch the moon. People watched in wonder and people were wondering how he will touch the moon. And the king climbed high